Looking to level up your Unity projects with some incredible stylized assets? Today, I'm going to show you 3 awesome assets from the Unity Asset Store that can completely transform your game worlds. Whether it's a medieval kingdom, a lush highland, or a peaceful Japanese countryside, these assets are sure to bring your vision to life. Let's jump in. So first up, we have the Kingdom Stylized Modular Castle environment. This one is packed with over 1,500 prefabs, so you'll have everything you need to create massive medieval or fantasy-inspired worlds. You can design unique castles, cathedrals, or even eerie catacombs with ease. Here's what's great about it. It includes modular pieces for castles and cathedrals, detailed interior for shops like a blacksmith or alchemist, and tons of decorative props and foliage to give your scenes depth. They've even included pre-built scenes to help you get started right away. It's a big package too, with a file size of about 1.4 GB. It works with Unity's built-in and universal render pipeline, and is compatible with Unity 2022 or newer. HDRP isn't supported, but for medieval and fantasy games, this asset is a fantastic option. You can grab this asset for $149. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Next, let's look at the Highland Stylized environment. If you're creating a bright and vibrant outdoor world, this pack has you covered. It's loaded with tools to help you build immersive landscapes and lively environments. Here's what's included: 160 unique 3D models like trees, rocks, and cabins, all with LODs for better performance. You'll also get 132 audio clips to create rich ambient soundscapes, 4 custom shaders, 5 particle effects for extra atmosphere, and terrain materials to add detail. Plus, there's a demo scene to give you inspiration and show how everything fits together. The whole package is just 458 megabytes, so it's optimized for performance too. It's designed for PC and consoles, and it works with built-in and universal render pipeline. You'll need Unity 2021 or newer to use it. At $59, this asset is a fantastic value for developers working on a fantasy or adventure game. You can find the link in the description below. Last but not least, you've got the Japan countryside anime environment. If you're aiming for that peaceful anime-inspired vibe, this asset is perfect for you. It's great for tranquil, immersive settings and story-driven games. Here's what you'll get: beautifully detailed Japanese buildings like houses and shops, lush natural elements like trees and plants, and a variety of props that fill out your scene. They've even included a pre-built demo scene to help you hit the ground running. The file size is just 389 megabytes, making it easy to integrate into your project. This asset supports the built-in and universal render pipeline and works with Unity 2022 or newer. For $80, this asset offers an incredible way to bring a unique and artistic aesthetic to your game. Check the description for the link to learn more. And that's it. Those are 3 amazing stylized environment assets to help bring your Unity projects to life. Whether you're designing a medieval adventure, a vibrant outdoor world, or a peaceful Japanese town, these assets have you covered. All the links are in the description below, so take a look and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Unity asset highlights every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.